So yeah, I'm so cool. I'm wearing buttons and doors. So maybe look out for what's the show called? Oh yeah, and Teen Moms. Oh my god, I watched so many shows. So she's suffering from illness, and I hope she gets better. Um, the media sources are not sure what she is, um, what she is like suffering from, but I hope she gets better. She keeps like tweeting that, oh, I'm going to, to dog foods, whatever. So she just keeps tweeting that, oh, I don't feel so good and all this stuff. Um, yeah, so I hope she gets better. And I wonder what she's suffering from. Maybe she might give an update, but I doubt it because obviously it's too personal. So I hope she gets better. I hope she does. Anyways, do you guys watch Teen Mom? I think it's an awesome show. It's on MTV. It's basically like she was on the first series of Teen Mom where she got pregnant, whatever. But when she was 16, of course, or 15. But anyways, but I'm really respectful of her because like even though she had a baby, she's still doing her thing, so that's awesome. Anyways, leave a comment below, awesome people.